In an industry where efficiency, reliability and customer experience are key, laundromat owners need machines they can count on day after day. As communities change and more people rely on card-operated purchasing, the demand for convenience and durable machines has never been higher. Choosing a brand that meets your needs is essential. Primus has built a solid reputation for reliability in the industry and commitment to quality with over a century of experience. At Total Commercial Equipment, we're proud to be the exclusive suppliers of these time-tested machines across Australia. With nearly 30 years of experience working with Primus, we know their reliability is unmatched, and that's why we trust them for our customers. We offer the complete range of Primus coin and card-operated washers and dryers, including top loaders, front loaders and space-saving stack machines. These machines maximise space and efficiency with user-friendly touchscreen and advanced technology that reduces water and energy usage. The unique modern look of the Primus range makes them more appealing than anything else on the market. Primus want their laundromats to stand out and look state-of-the-art.
Not only are the machines aesthetically pleasing, what really stands out to us is how user-friendly they are. Compared to other machines we looked at, the touchscreens are just so much easier to operate, while others felt overly complicated. The simplicity has been a game changer for us, and is also the top feedback we receive from our customers.
Having the right equipment is just the start. What matters most is partnering with someone who understands your needs and helps your business grow. As consultants, we offer tailored solutions with unique options and ideas to suit your budget and your needs. If you're new to the industry, we know that setting up a laundromat can be a daunting task. So when you work with us, you don't have to worry about the design and layout. From your very first inquiry, we take care of it. Within as little as 3 days, we can provide a custom plan created in close consultation to ensure it's exactly what you need.
We partnered with Total Commercial Equipment to build our first laundromat from the ground up, and they've been pivotal in our success. So much so, when we decided to open a second location, working with Total Commercial Equipment and using Primus machines was a no-brainer.
We support you throughout the process with on-site meetings, remote assistance and site visits with your trades as required to make sure the build is as smooth as possible. If you're looking to launch a new laundromat or upgrade an existing one and want to feel supported by an experienced partner who genuinely cares, then reach out to us at Total Commercial Equipment. We're here for you and your business.